Yes, perfect. Is this the Mercedes? I'm getting in nothing but the best. I hate myself.
Here.
Yeah.
With
The
our
Fooey.
fake Louis Vuitton.
With the Fooey Vuittons after you. Ladies first. Yo, I was trolling, but then I was right. Guys, expect this. Expect this. Oh my gosh.
It's a little bit. Is that what you said?
Did you guys get chloroform pads too, or no?
Yeah. What did you
Oh,
say?
okay. I said, did you get the one with chloroform pads too, or no? Like when the thing they put on the shirt. Yo, is this what it's like to be famous though? Like, this is sick. This is gonna be our area for if we throw up, we're just gonna lean over and just we're gonna be the rowdies on the boat.
I love your beanbag.
Oh, thank you. What does she love?
Your beanbag.
Oh. Yeah, the flippers suck, but the views were great. Now we're on our way to an island. Christian, what's the vibe? Getting closer and closer to the island. Then we're gonna be island boy.
Hey, I'm just island boy. I'm just island boy.
Christian, what's the vibe?
Dude, the vibe is vibing, man. I'm telling you, I haven't felt a vibe like a vibe before, man. This vibe is vibing, man.
That you had.
All right, we're making way. We're making our way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and we're kind of homebound. It's land ho. All right, we're done with this boat. We're about to go become a local with the islands. All right, squad, we're off the boat. Where are we going to first?
El Baño.
El Baño. We're already one with the people here.
Hello, guys. You want to hold it? Take a picture of the leg?
Yo, that boy be crazy. All right, we are in the tourist shop. We're just becoming one with the culture here. I'm for sure gonna cop me some Yeezys. Our fake Yeezys, we love them. They look cloudy, they look comfortable. We're ready to go, we're gonna get involved. Island boy.
I'm just island boy.
Center or what, dude? Just absolutely dripped up, dripped out.
Drizzle me in white stuff.
Halfway down, great job everybody after this golf cart. And walk it like we talked it. Here we go. And here we go. Like 100 feet, we're already on the almost on the other side of the island. Pretty cray. I love this layout though. Actual, not trolling. Ooh, swings. Excuse me, miss. Sorry to bother you. Where's the beach?
What?
Sir, where's the beach? Sir, the beach, please, sir.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
Got the water behind us here. It's like a peaceful little center. Just got a nice little picture here by the Isla de Mujeres sign. Oh, Beth, what a shot. What a shot. That could be thumbnail. I need to get out of this picture. Just love the vibes. So good. Yeah, I thought we were looking for the beach. Oh.
Where? Yeah.
Where? Sir. Yo, it's a cute, yo, that thing might be a Komodo, bruh. Sir, how are you today? Do you like living on the Isla de Mujeres?
You a bitch.
It's dangerous, but let's do it, yeah? I wonder why it's dangerous though. It feels very secluded. Got all those spots there, that's pretty cool. For the familias. We love the vibe. So we probably have to go the other side for the one you can swim in. Those are kind of cool looking. I bet we could get through that door. Coconut. Yo, this feels so tropical. I love it. Clickbait of the video. We went to a secluded island. Making our way downtown, walking fast. Freaking nailed it, dude. All right. They never are, Bailey. They never are. So we're gonna go find some food, chill for a couple more hours until it's time to go back on the boat.
Delicious. Delicioso.
I think is that Italian? She keeps speaking or no?
No.
The grazie is definitely Italian though. That one is. Christian, how we looking on the feet? It looks crap. You gotta bite it. Here we go. I hate you.
Yum.
Done with dinner. We're heading back to the boat. We're gonna get home.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back in line for the boat. Look at the pretty sunset that we got out here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Christian, how would you rate the Isla de Mujeres?
7.
Out of 7?
7 out of 10.
Oh, okay. Well, if it makes you feel better, I had a 10 out of 10 because you were here, buddy.
I know. I make every trip memorable.
You know what? I try to be very nice.
Eat my.
How's the Isla de Mujeres?
It was beautiful.
It really was.
The drinks were muy.
Bailey, how was the island?
Oh, perfecto.
Well, yo, not even gonna lie to you though. Those buoys under there, I thought those were people's heads. What a beautiful sunset. We're about to get some sick views for you guys on the way back, but I'm just like incredible. What a great island. All right, I have to go get my drunk friends now.
Are you doing it for the vlog? Mucho fun.
I think you're doing it for the vlog, brother.
That was mucho fun.
Did you have a good time?
Mucho fun. Best night of the trip, hands down.
I think both Blair and Bailey had a great time tonight.
Hands down, tequila
Chanel,
shots up.
Chanel, how are you?
Chanel had a great night. Chanel is.
Leroy.
I don't know. Leroy's not handsy. Leroy's not handsy, so we know he's not that drunk yet.
Oh my goodness. You guys remember how for this TikTok video you filmed, you picked that I was gonna be in the worst shape?
Yeah.
And I'm probably the most adult right now.
Yeah.
I
We
knew
only
it.
thought you were because you haven't been drunk this whole trip.
Because I'm a good boy. Remember kids, be smart, have fun, and be smart. You think this is like considered the country and stuff?
I think this is considered like a Romeo of Mexico.
Everybody has made it successfully back to the room. I'm in mine. And we are gonna end this vlog today. It was a really great time going to the Isla de Mujeres. Really beautiful seeing different parts of this country and just awesome memories to have with great friends. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications, send the video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.